Irritate. To annoy or bother someone. The loud music irritated the neighbors. The buzzing mosquito irritated the camper. Summon. To call someone to come to you. She summoned a taxi with her phone. The manager summoned the workers for a meeting. Assault. A violent attack on a person. The police stopped the assault quickly. The victim reported the assault. Outdated. Old-fashioned and no longer useful or modern. The outdated phone works slowly. The company replaced its outdated equipment. Companion. A friend or person who spends time with you. The old man enjoyed talking to his companion. A good companion makes trips more fun. Confess. To admit that you did something wrong or tell the truth. The boy confessed that he broke the vase. He confessed that he forgot the homework. Foe. An enemy or someone who is against you. The knight fought his foe bravely. He treated his foe with respect. Zealot. A person who is extremely devoted to a belief or cause. The zealot spent all day promoting his cause. She was a zealot for healthy living. Stoic. Staying calm and not showing emotions, even during difficult times. He was stoic despite the bad news. My grandfather is stoic during difficult times.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!